Welcome to the next episode of Steve-O Crypto. I am Steve-O and I love crypto. So today I wanted to kind of go over I wanted to make an extra video and touch on a coin that a lot of people are talking about, DOGEcoin. So what the Doge? Why is it dropping? What's going on? A lot of people were expecting, including myself, to see it go up, a little more, maybe even see $1. So, what's going on with it? I'm gonna cover that real quick. First, I do have a quick disclaimer. I have to let you all know that I'm not a financial advisor. What I say on my channel is not intended to be taken as your due diligence. When investing money in any market, including the cryptocurrency market, you can and may lose it. Don't invest any money that you cannot afford to lose, and do your own due diligence before investing. I'm not responsible for any monetary or other profits or losses. Please invest responsibly. So, what the Doge? So, you may not really know what Dogecoin is or what it's about. Right before the end of the year, Elon Musk had made a little tweet about Dogecoin, and it started catching a lot of people's eyes. A lot of people started getting interested in it, and before you know it, a meme cryptocurrency that was, really intended to be a joke when it was made exploded. So, overnight we saw, not overnight, but very quickly, we saw some really rapid growth after that tweet. And this this crypto that was meant to be a joke, it went up to what, 73, almost 74 cents, and so we're starting to see a downtrend, and it's got some people worried. So understandably, they weren't expecting to see it drop from after SNL. So that's another thing. So just recently, this last Saturday, Elon Musk was on SNL. I don't really watch SNL, and I don't really get to see it, but a lot of people were expecting to see some growth from that. Now, instead of seeing that growth, we just saw this huge drop right here, and it went from 66 cents to 55 cents, and then we've been seeing a lot of, up and down. So I've heard people saying, I've seen people saying on Facebook, oh, should I get out of Doge? So I just kind of want to go over Doge and my opinion on what's going on with it today, and just kind of maybe help reevaluate the situation. So, yes, over the last 24 hours, we have saw a 28% drop in Dogecoin, and yeah, it's got to be disheartening for a lot of people, and especially some people that got in it above that price, that are seeing a loss right now. So and real quick, please go back to my disclaimer if you don't understand that. I'm not suggesting, buying, selling, holding. I'm just kind of going over my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so you do what you will, but that is on you. So my personal opinion is, man, this coin still has a lot of room to grow. So, and here's why I say that. While it was intended to be a joke, we got a market cap right now of 59.8 billion in a course of a few months, guys. This is it's got a lot of momentum. So, if we really look at, if we're looking at this and we're like, oh no, it's dropping, ditch out, ditch out, and it's understandable. You want to capture your profits and whatnot. 100%. I'm completely with you. capture those profits. Do what do what you do. But those that are trying to wonder like, oh, they're more in it for the long game, more long term traders that are wondering, well, maybe I should just bail out now before it just plummets. Well, so I just kind of want to touch base again on this coin and kind of really put it into to perspective, right? Because look at this, just a week ago today, this is where we were at. Like we're these are hills right here. So real quick on technical analysis, I don't want to real get into like technical analysis or fundamentals in this video, but I will kind of brush on this. And these spikes here, this is telling you stuff, guys. This is these drops, these are people selling, sure. These spikes, these spikes going up, that's people buying, and this buying is still going on. I mean, at the end of this chart, we still see a little spike here at this tick. Right now, at the end of this 24-hour chart, we see this, but really, like, just look at it in perspective here. I mean, this is a 1 week chart. We're still over a week ago. This is a 1 month chart, guys. And the momentum is still there. There are people that are still hopping in on this. Another important thing to point out with DOGEcoin is, I mean, if we look back here, 3 months ago, Doge is getting shorted. So there are some huge short positions in DOGEcoin. So it is the most shorted cryptocurrency out there. So that being said, that was shorted 3 months ago. So if we look back here at the chart, our year chart, 3 months ago, February, when this was shorted, it was shorted anywhere around this range here. So 7 cents, 5 cents neighborhood. A bunch of billionaires put in shorting this coin. So as you can see here, we saw some nice spikes from these shorts, and if these shorts can't be covered, basically the money, it just goes away. So these guys betting against this have continued to lose, and everybody on board is gaining from this. So I mean, this is similar to GameStop. So just a quick note, there's probably some billionaires still trying to hang on for their dear life, because if they run out, if they can't cover it, it just goes away. Their short is covered, with the last little bit of money they have, and they're probably getting propped up, but who knows? So this is just speculation, but I mean, these shorts did happen. There's some pretty big shorts going on in February. So my point is, there's still a lot of potential for this coin. It could continue to raise up due to, I mean, this is a giant short squeeze. This is just like GameStop. If you look at GameStop stock, and you recall just recently, I'm sure you heard something about it. Man, we saw some huge spikes in GameStop, and this was due to a bunch of billionaires just all pitching in on shorting GameStop, and they just did it so much that it actually caused this spike here. It's caused all this movement in GameStop that just really wouldn't be there otherwise. So they really messed up there. These guys, they did the same thing. These billionaires shorting Doge, they really did the same thing. They did not anticipate the amount of growth that this would see, and a lot of the spike could be due to they're shorting and having to cover those shorts. So if you're not really familiar with short squeeze, I will kind of cover that in another video, but I just wanted to touch on this, and I'll do that here soon, so you guys can get an understanding of how shorts work, and you can actually do that with these coins. So hey, I appreciate everyone checking out this video. If you liked it, please like the video. Please subscribe. I am leaving some links below for Coinbase, for Robinhood, so you can get some free shares or free crypto just by following those links, and that will help me out as well. So feel free to do that, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks.